Getting the ChatGPT error in body stream message and can't get replies? Don't worry, this quick tutorial shows you simple fixes to get ChatGPT working again in minutes. Solution 1. Regenerate the response first. Type your question in ChatGPT and send it. If you see the error in body stream, tap on the regenerate icon. Now tap on Regenerate Response again. Many times, this refresh fixes the error instantly. Solution 2. Refresh your internet connection if the error still appears. Turn off your internet. Wait a few seconds, then turn it on again. Now open ChatGPT and try sending your question once more. Solution 3. Clear ChatGPT app cache and data now. Now open settings on your phone. Go to Apps and tap on ChatGPT. Open Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Storage. Tap Delete to confirm. Now open ChatGPT again and log in. In most cases, the problem should be solved. That's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes.